How to buy. Click on the trolley icon to buy. Click on Checkout Malaysia. Add your first and last name. Your correct phone number, preferably which is on WhatsApp. Add your email address. If you have a company, you can enter your company name and information. Or you can skip it. Select your delivery city. Then select your district. Then select your ward. Enter your address, such as your street name and apartment name and number. If your order in Dar es Salaam, less than 500,000, you can pay with cash on delivery. Or you can choose M-Pesa, Tigo Pesa, Airtel Money. Choose your network and enter your phone number without zero at the beginning. You can also choose other payment methods, such as bank transfer, credit card payment, and payment with PayBill. In customer notes, you can enter notes you'd like us to know. For example, please leave it with my watchman, or your other phone numbers. Click on Agree to Terms and Conditions. Press Place Order. Follow the prompt on your phone and enter your PIN to authorize the payment.